Hi crafty folks, Amy here, and I have a quick and easy little funny Zen Kitty card to share with you today. So let's jump right in. Now here I have the Zen Kitty stencil. You can see it comes in two parts. This is part of the August release at a Colorful Life Designs. I have sprayed the back of the inner portion with some pixie spray just so I can kind of attach this directly to my card base. I will use my brayer to really press that down into the cardstock and hold it in place. But if you don't have a fixative, you can just kind of hold it down with your fingers or with some magnets or whatever way you usually hold down your stencils. But I found with the delicate little bits on this that pixie spray was very helpful. And ultimately this came together super quickly. I just do some very simple ink blending here. And here's a photo of the card I'm going to make for you today. You can see it's a single layer, came together really quickly just using some bright colors and this adorable stencil. Now this release is very pet centric, lots of critter stencils, so if you're into that, either for pet lovers in your life or if you need pet sympathy cards, then be sure to check out this entire release. There's tons of adorableness. So be sure to use my coupon if you shop, AmyFan10, and you'll save 10% on your complete order. Then also in the shop, Mary Kay does offer what's called a Master Creator Bundle, and that's a way to get the entire release at an even steeper discount. You can get the whole collection for 20% off. So I will link all those details below in my video. If you expand the video description box and scroll down, you will find those details. But ultimately here what I'm doing is just doing some ink blending directly on the card base. I have some mini ink pads from Catherine Pooler. These are often my go-to as of late. I just love the vibrant, rich colors. And I'm just using my blending brushes. Those are from the Rabbit Hole Designs. They're the cottontail blending brushes, and they are back in the shop and available again if you are interested in those. But I'm just kind of working through. I think originally I was thinking more like a sunset. I imagine this little Zen kitty doing yoga or whatever it's doing, during sunset in the morning. But then it ended up looking almost more like a rainbow, which I thought was fine too. It all worked out in the end. So I'm just kind of cleaning off my work surface as I go, just because I am working directly on a card base and I don't want any little extra residual ink left on that station tool to get where I don't want it on my card base there. So just using this beautiful teal color, and then I'm going to move finally into the Juniper Mist. Now this is a very strong color, so you want to go a little light-handed with that, otherwise it might kind of take over your design. But ultimately I'm going pretty light-handed with the colors. I don't want it to be too crazy saturated in your face, but you'll see in a moment here once I close everything up and carefully peel back this delicate stencil. You can see everything is nice and detailed and bright white, and you have this awesome design on the front of the card with this funny little Zen kitty. Now I didn't really have any sentiments in my stash, so I decided to use my label maker here. I got this from Amazon, and I do have a bunch of different colors of tape, so I decided to do Serenity Now for my sentiment. So that's going to finish my card. Super quick and easy. Use your alphabet stamps, or if you have a label maker and you don't have the perfect sentiment, then create your own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. I appreciate you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll check you next time. Bye.